All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. All right, in this video, we're going to be talking about staking and how to stake on the Trust Wallet. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button for this video. Help me get this video out to many other people who want to know how to do it as well. I simplify finance on this channel so that you guys can learn how to do stocks and crypto and invest as fast as possible. All right, so let's get into it. So what are we going to talk about? All right, so as far as staking is concerned, there are a certain amount of coins that you can actually do staking with. So if you hit this button here, discovery, you can discover the actual different coins. You got DeFi, you got lending, you got smart chain coins, you got DeFi coins. All right, and if you hit the see all, it'll show you all the coins that they have. And they also can show you, all the different, smart chains coins that they work with. And you see these numbers on the right. Now, up here at the top, those are just what the coin made today. So like if you see Solana says plus 13, it just means that's how much it went up today. Like if tomorrow it says like minus 30, then that means it went down 30%. So at the very top, you have staking. So hit see all under staking, and then now you can see all the staking coins. So you got Native, EVMOS, you got Polkadot, Solana, Osmosis, Kava, Cosmos, Terra Classic, Tezos, Tron, BNB. All right, so here's what you do. If you want to stake something, you would click on that actual coin to stake it, and then you would go ahead and then hit the stake button here. Now, I'm gonna have to move some Solana in here. I don't know where. I left my Solana on my other wallet, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So here's what you do. You click that, and now you have, at the top it says available, so it shows exactly how much Solana you have, how much you have staked. The minimum amount, it has to be 0.01. And then you got the APR, which is 6.42%, and it says the epoch ends 1 day and 18 hours. So this epoch is basically how long it takes for a full staking round. It's like basically the transactions, all the transactions that go around. Once they are all verified by the validators, then they'll pay out. So you guys can earn your rewards every epoch, okay? So also, if you were to take Solana out of staking, you would have to wait to the end of that epoch to be able to get your money out, okay? So it also doesn't start to earn money until after the epoch is finished. So if I were to stake right now, the coins would go into the staking, but it won't come out. It won't actually start earning stake rewards until the epoch is finished, and then it'll begin. So you're always waiting on the next epoch for things to start, okay? So here it says a validator. Now, with staking, you want to choose a validator to validate your coins with. And you're nominating the validator. So you would click validator, and you'll have a decent amount of validators to choose between. You got different companies, different people who you validate through. You guys can do your research and figure out who's who. But, once you look into these different companies, you can see they all pay different fees, different amounts. So the reason for these different fees is sometimes the validators take more of a fee for handling and managing their validator nodes to handle the actual node. So some nodes pay more, some nodes pay less. So on any network, you want to have decentralized. You want to make sure that all the validators are getting a chance to stake. So you don't want to just all pick sunflower at the very top and always keep choosing the same one, because then it'll be lopsided and it won't make any sense. So more about that later. But for right now, I'm going to choose all nodes. It's a 0% fee. So I'm going to choose these guys. And it says here, the delegation will be active after the current epoch ends. I just pretty much told you about that. And it will take 2 epochs to see your first rewards. Sorry about that. I told you guys it'll take 1, but I guess it takes 2. So it says 1 epoch takes approximately 2 to 4 days. So you're going to have to wait almost a week before you can start earning rewards off your Solana. All right, that's basically what that sounds like to me. So since the minimum amount was 0.01, I'm just going to put I want to have a little bit left, so I'm just going to put 0.026. Should be plenty enough for gas fees and stuff like that. So that's not a lot. I mean, really doesn't matter, but I'm just doing this just to show you guys how it works. And I'm going to be adding more Solana to staking after. So hit that. You got your gas fee and all that going through. You can see here, it's pending. And your network fee for Solana is 0, which, I mean, if this was Ethereum or some other coin, it would be more. So it went in there. So it says that it's pending. 0.026 is pending. It's going to take some time because, like I said, that Epoch has to go through. And now my Phantom wallet is like, hey, you actually did something. So it could show that the coins left the wallet and it went over to the node. All right. So staking is done on that one, and it works the same on each one of these coins. So you go back to Discover. You can click on staking, and you got your coins that you can stake. So if I wanted to put Kava, I can select that, move Kava into the wallet and do that. Cosmos, I can hit stake here, and then I would do the same thing. Each has its own rules, its own lockup times. This one says 21 days. The APR is 20%. So you can see the different coins have different amounts. Luna Classic, this one says something about it's under maintenance. That's fine. We're not gonna look at that one. BNB, and this is, I believe this is the original BNB, not the Smart Chain BNB, but I'm not sure because it's the yellow one, so I don't know. But it says 7 days lockup, 3.47%. All right, so you got that. Tezos, hit stake. You got 4.57% to 6%. And you hit the stake button, and it'll take you to the validator so you can see who to validate with, you know. So there's a lot of different ones. These ones say inactive, so I would obviously pick one that's active. And don't always choose the one with the highest APR. Actually do some research to figure out which are the best ones to actually be doing the staking with, so that you won't have to worry about getting your staking reward slashed if the network slashes. Sometimes people do weird stuff when they're the validator node, so you have to watch out. There are risks. There are some risks that you might get your rewards slashed depending on which validator you choose. So you guys want to be careful about that. But other than that, you know, I think that that's basically all you need to know about that. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade and buy NFTs through the Trust Wallet. So make sure you click that button once this video comes out, and I'm going to show you guys all about it. All right. Talk to you.